Want to make your home and kitchen run like clockwork? These clever Amazon gadgets are built to save time, cut clutter, and simplify your daily routine. Smart, stylish, and seriously useful. You'll wonder how you lived without them. All links are in the description below. Why clutter your kitchen when one machine can do it all? This 21-in-1 smart cooking robot blends, chops, kneads, slow cooks, juices, you name it. With a built-in touchscreen and access to over 3,000 step-by-step recipes, cooking becomes as easy as tapping a button. Whether you're making yogurt, soups, or full dinners, it handles it with ease. It's like having your own personal chef, minus the apron. Pure water, no plumber needed. This countertop reverse osmosis system filters in 5 powerful stages and gives you hot water instantly. No installation required. It's NSF certified and delivers a 4-to-1 ratio of pure to drain water, so you waste less and drink more. Just plug it in, fill it up, and enjoy clean, great tasting water anytime. It's portable, smart, and perfect for any space. This is an electric skillet that offers plenty of cooking space with its large aluminum top. It's a durable surface that works well for a variety of dishes, from pancakes to steak. The Stay Cool handles make it comfortable to use even when it's hot. This is a vacuum sealing machine that helps keep food fresh up to 5 times longer by preventing freezer burn. It stores vertically, saving valuable countertop space and reducing bag waste by 35% compared to older models. The customizable dry and moist settings ensure an airtight seal for various types of food. It also includes a built-in alignment tray to help you place bags correctly. This is a plastic cutting board set that includes 3 different sizes for various kitchen tasks. Each board has a grinding area for garlic or ginger, saving you from using a grater and making cleanup easier. The boards also feature an embossed measurement guide, helping you slice food with precision. This is an electric can opener that offers a hands-free and easy way to open cans of various sizes. It has a powerful motor that works quickly and with less noise, making it a convenient option for your kitchen. The rechargeable battery lets you open about 120 cans on a single charge, so it's both efficient and cost-effective. Its side-cutting feature leaves smooth edges, and the magnetic lid lifter makes removing lids hassle-free. This can opener is especially helpful for those who have trouble with manual can openers. This is a citrus juicer that helps you get every last drop from your fruits. Its dual gear mechanism provides extra pressing power, reducing hand strain. Made from durable nylon and stainless steel, it's built to last. Simply place your halved lemon or lime into the juicer and squeeze for quick, effortless juice extraction. This is a Bartender Kit that equips you with everything needed to mix up cocktails and mocktails at home. The set comes with a bamboo organizer to keep your bar tools neatly displayed and easy to find. You'll also get 35 recipe cards, making it simple to try out classics like margaritas and martinis. It's a convenient setup for anyone looking to bring a bit of bar-style fun to their kitchen. This is a panini press that offers versatile cooking with 5 functions, including a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half griddle. The removable, reversible, and dishwasher-safe plates make cleanup a breeze, while the integrated drip tray helps collect grease for healthier cooking. The adjustable temperature controls and floating cover allow you to cook food of varying thickness with ease. This is an ice cream maker that lets you create a variety of frozen treats, from ice cream to sorbet and milkshakes. It offers full control over your ingredients, allowing you to customize your desserts to fit your dietary preferences, whether that's keto, dairy-free, or vegan. The machine features 7 one-touch programs for different textures and flavors, making it easy to get the right treat every time. This is a 5-tier fruit and vegetable basket designed for practical and sturdy storage. The top features a wood surface that can hold additional kitchen items while preventing dust, and the baskets are detachable to suit your space needs. The rolling storage cart comes with 4 smooth wheels, making it easy to move around, plus lockable feet to secure it in place. This is a lid organizer that helps keep your food container lids neat and easily accessible. With 5 adjustable dividers, it offers flexible storage to accommodate different lid sizes, up to 9 inches wide. The center channel in the tray prevents round lids from rolling, while built-in handles make it easy to slide the organizer in and out of storage. This is a mini ramen cooker that serves as a compact and versatile cooking solution. With a 1-liter capacity, it's great for preparing pasta, eggs, dumplings, oatmeal, soups, and hot pots. The one-touch heating feature ensures even cooking thanks to the embedded heating element. Its portable design makes it a great fit for dorm rooms, offices, or even outdoor trips like camping. This is a Lazy Susan turntable that makes it easy to organize your cabinets, countertops, and tabletops. With a 9-inch diameter, it rotates smoothly for easy access to items like spices, condiments, and cooking supplies. The open design and raised edges help keep everything visible and prevent items from falling off during rotation. This is a cheese grater that makes shredding easy with a simple crank design. It's versatile enough to handle not only cheese, but also chocolate and nuts. The non-slip knob adds stability, and it's designed for both left and right-handed use. Compact and foldable, it's easy to store and doesn't take up much space. This is a paper towel holder that makes it simple to tear off a sheet with just one hand. Its spring-activated arm adjusts to the roll size, keeping the edge accessible without unraveling. The arm also locks open, so reloading is quick and easy. With a weighted base and non-slip ring, it stays stable on your countertop. This is a multifunctional drain basket that makes it easy to wash and drain ingredients like pasta, vegetables, and fruits. Made from durable, food-grade material, it resists heat and is tough enough for everyday use. The removable filter design ensures easy cleaning and helps you catch residue and impurities. It can also double as a food container or salad bowl, offering extra versatility. This is the Thaw Claw, a fast and safe way to defrost frozen meat without using a microwave. It works by attaching to your sink with a strong suction cup, allowing you to thaw food underwater. Just place the frozen food under the arms of the claw and let it defrost safely and quickly. This device helps you avoid bacteria risks from traditional thawing methods like leaving food out or using the microwave. Elevate taco night with this handy tortilla press, perfect for crafting delicious taco salads and guacamole bowls. It effortlessly transforms store-bought tortillas into crispy, perfectly shaped bowls in just 1 to 3 minutes, with dual non-stick surfaces ensuring an even bake. Beyond tacos, you can create sweet dessert bowls filled with churros, ice cream, or fruit. There are endless possibilities. Upgrade your lighting game with this sleek electric lighter, designed to withstand wind and splashes for reliable use in any weather. More economical and eco-friendly than traditional lighters, it replaces up to 300 of them and can be recharged to light up to 600 times on a single charge. Its slender design allows for elegant lighting of candles and is perfect for everyday use. This is a compact electric kitchen scale that makes weighing ingredients easy and accurate. It supports multiple units, so whether you're measuring in grams or ounces, you're covered. With a sleek design, it fits neatly in any kitchen and can be stored without taking up much space. Cleaning is simple, just wipe down the stainless steel surface. The backlit LCD display ensures that the readings are easy to see, even in low light. This is a sturdy garlic press that makes crushing garlic or ginger quick and easy. Its ergonomic handle helps you mince unpeeled cloves without much effort, keeping your hands clean. Cleaning is simple, just rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher. It's a versatile tool that can also handle spices or even nuts when you need a quick crush. This is a bottle emptying cap kit that helps you get every drop from your bottles without any hassle. With 2 base caps and 6 adapters, it fits most standard screw-top plastic bottles. Simply replace your original cap, turn the bottle upside down, and let gravity do the work for easy dispensing. It eliminates the need for shaking or cutting bottles to access the last bits of product. This handy tool makes sure you get the most out of what you've paid for while reducing waste. This is a multifunctional meat chopper that simplifies cooking ground beef and turkey. With its 5-blade design, it can also mash softer cooked foods like potatoes and apples, making meal prep a breeze. The oversized nylon head is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it safely on all cookware types, including non-stick. Its angled blades efficiently scrape the sides of bowls and pots while you mix and mash. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup after cooking. This is a versatile vegetable chopper that comes with 7 different stainless steel blades to handle all your slicing, chunking, and shredding tasks. It includes handy accessories like an egg white separator and a hand protector for added safety while cooking. Cleaning is made easy with the included brush and scraper, ensuring your chopper is ready for the next use. This is a Panini Maker that's perfect for making quick, warm sandwiches or even omelets and French toast. Its compact design makes it easy to store, saving space in the kitchen. Cleaning up is simple too, thanks to the non-stick plates. This is a digital meat thermometer that helps you get quick and accurate temperature readings in just seconds. It's great for checking temperatures when grilling, cooking, or even making candy. The backlit screen makes it super easy to use, even in low light. Cleaning is hassle-free since it's waterproof and can be rinsed under the tap. Plus, it comes with a built-in magnet, so storing it on any metal surface is a breeze. This is a handy 2-in-1 bag sealer and cutter that makes keeping food fresh much easier. You can quickly seal bags to prevent spoilage and maintain flavor, whether it's snacks, leftovers, or pet food. It's easy to use with no preheating required. Just press and seal. Its compact size makes it portable, perfect for taking with you on outdoor trips, and the magnetic bottom lets you store it on the fridge. Plus, batteries are included, so you can start using it right away.